Hi, this is Assistant Professor Reenu Dutt from School of Legal Studies, BBD University. Today's topic is key terms and concepts of right to information. To start with the key terms and concepts used in this Act, the first we'll pick is information. In the context of RTI Act, information refers to any material in any form, including records, documents, memos, emails, opinions, advices, press releases, circulars, orders, logbooks, contracts, reports, papers, samples, models, data material held in any electronic form, etc. Public authority. Now, public authority is a key term in the RTI Act and refers to any government institution, organization, or body constituted or established by or under the Constitution of India or by any other law made by Parliament or a state legislature. It also includes bodies owned, controlled, or substantially financed by the government. Next term, appropriate government. Now, the term appropriate government is used to determine the authority to whom an application for information should be addressed. In the case of central government, it is the President of India, and in case of the states, it is the governor. Next is Information Commission. Information commissions are independent bodies established at the central and state levels to adjudicate on appeals and complaints filed under the RTI Act. Now, Central Information Commission, that is CIC, handles appeals against decisions of the central government, while the state information commissions, those are SICS, handle appeals against decisions of state government. Next is Public Information Officer, PIO in short form. Now, a Public Information Officer is an officer designated by a public authority to provide information to citizens who request it under the RTI Act. Now, each public authority is required to have at least one PIO. So, the requirement of at least one PIO is necessary. Assistant Public Information Officer, APIO, an Assistant Public Information Officer is an officer designated to assist the PIO in responding to the RTI request. Likewise, the PIO, each public authority must appoint an APIO, third party. A third party in the context of the RTI Act refers to any person other than the citizen making the request and the public authority. So basically, third person is a person other than the person who files a request and to whom he files the request, that is the public authority. So he is the different person than the person making the request and the public authority. Information Commissioner. Information commissioners are officials appointed to the Central Information Commission or state information commissions. They are responsible for adjudicating on appeals and complaints filed under the RTI Act. Right to information request. A request made by a citizen to a public authority seeking information under the provisions of the RTI Act is termed as right to information request. Next is exemption clauses. The RTI Act contains certain clauses that exempt certain types of information from disclosure. These include information related to national security, personal privacy, trade secrets, and ongoing investigations, among others. So these are the basic exceptions in the type of information which does not require a disclosure. So these are information related to national security, personal privacy, trade secrets, or some ongoing investigation, among the others. Time limits. The RTI Act prescribes specific time limits for various stages of processing a request, including the acknowledging the request, providing information, and filing appeals. So there is a specific time limit for all the stages to be processed, whether it being processing a request, or it is of acknowledgement of a request, or it is for providing the information, or it is for filing the appeals. This ensures a timely and efficient response to RTI requests. So specifically, time limits are to ensure a timely and efficient response through RTI requests. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.